This lesson is based on the current Hermes Kanban documentation, and it is recorded inside the real Hermes dashboard. Hermes is running on Linux through WSL. Windows here is only the visible browser and screen capture surface. In Hermes, Kanban is not just a pretty to-do list. It is a durable task board, backed by persistent state, where named profiles can pick up real work, leave comments, block, retry, and complete with artifacts. The same board has several surfaces. A human can use the dashboard or the CLI. An agent worker uses structured Kanban tools, such as show, list, heartbeat, block, comment, and complete. The columns you see here are the state machine: triage, to-do, scheduled, ready, in progress, blocked, and done. That is why Kanban is useful for work that must survive restarts, handoffs, and review gates. For this demo, I am not launching a fake sample task. The board already contains a real production task. Build an advanced standalone HTML visualization of the Hermes agent loop. That artifact is something we actually need for this lesson. I am selecting a follow-up card that asks a worker to inspect the generated HTML and write a viewer guide for it. The card is intentionally unassigned at first, so the dispatcher cannot quietly grab it before the camera starts. I select the card, open the reassignment control, choose the real Hermes profile, and press Apply. This is an actual state change on the real board, not a visual overlay and not a scripted mock. Now I press Nudge Dispatcher. This tells Hermes to look at the board and decide whether any ready task can be claimed. If the task is eligible, the dispatcher starts a worker process for the assigned profile. The important part is that the worker is not hidden inside the video editor. It is a real Hermes run connected to this card. For a short time, the task stays ready. That waiting is part of the truth of the system. Durable orchestration means we can refresh the board, watch the state, and keep the evidence. A normal one-shot subagent call would disappear when the parent turn ends. Kanban keeps a task ID, assignee, status, runs, comments, and result metadata. Here the card has moved into in progress. A worker has claimed it and is doing the actual job, reading the source HTML artifact, reading the QA report, and producing a concise viewer guide. This is the useful pattern. Humans steer from the dashboard, while workers do bounded, auditable work with acceptance criteria. Now the card is done. The run completed successfully and returned artifact paths: the source HTML, the QA report, the JSON QA manifest, and the new viewer guide. That is the difference between a real Kanban workflow and a demo that only changes labels on screen. The board now contains durable evidence of what was produced. Now we open the worker-produced HTML artifact itself. The address bar shows a local file from the production workspace, not a hosted mock page. This page was created by the Kanban worker as a standalone visualization of the Hermes agent loop, so we can inspect the result rather than just trusting a completion message. The visualization makes the loop visible. A user message enters, durable context is injected, the model decides what it needs, tools run outside the model, tool results come back into the transcript, and Hermes either iterates or stops with a final answer. The loop is evidence-driven. It is not just a single model response. The key idea is the feedback cycle. A shell command, file read, browser action, or Kanban worker result is not imagined by the model. It becomes a concrete observation, and the next model call reasons with that observation in context. This is how Hermes stays grounded while still using the model for planning and judgment. Kanban wraps that short agent loop in a durable production system. The loop is one run of reasoning and tool use. Kanban adds the long-lived layer: task IDs, worker profiles, dispatching, retries, blockers, comments, events, and artifact paths. That is why it works for real course production, not just for toy examples. So the takeaway is simple. Use delegate-style calls for short fork and join subtasks, and use Hermes Kanban when the work must be visible, recoverable, assigned, reviewed, and backed by artifacts. In this lesson, you saw the complete chain: real board, real task, real worker, real completion, and the real HTML artifact opened on screen. One practical rule I use is this: if I only need a quick answer from another agent, I can delegate. If I need production work that a human can audit tomorrow, I put it on Kanban. The card keeps the work visible. The worker keeps the artifact path. The board keeps the history. That is why this lesson was built with the same mechanism it teaches. And the proof is right here on screen. A real Hermes board produced a real file, and we opened that file from the production workspace. That is the standard I want for agent workflows: useful work, visible evidence, and no pretend demos.